Recording.
Hey, these are the new Indian Pinnacle Mirrors I added to my Challenger, and they are much better than the stock mirrors. They're 1 inch wider. They've got the Indian logo embossed on the front of them, of course. This is a billet arm, which is taller than the stock, and the view is just so much better on these. They're tinted, and the glass clarity, quality is just awesome. So I highly recommend them. They're on sale at Indian till the end of the month. Uh, Pick up a pair. I got them on the Roadmaster also, and much better view of what's coming up on you. So great safety feature, plus they look great. All right, check with you later. Take care.